Hello everyone. In this video we will take a quick look at how to create an application in smartQED. For that what we need to do is there's this button here which says create application. So let's just click on that and it will ask us to provide an application name. Well, for want of a better name as of this point in time, let me just type in training 1.0, click next, and it will take us to the next set of things that we need to do. Right, so we are on a screen which requires us to specify components for our application. So these are the layers in the tech stack. We can keep it the way it is right now because it says you're optional, so you can just say cancel or okay and move on. Or for the sake of completeness, let's add a couple of components. So how do we go about that? Well, first thing that we need to do is click select a component type from this drop down list here. So let's say I select application, and now of the application type we can give any name that we want. Again, just to keep things simple, I'll just say my app. We need to specify a technology for this, and let me say Python and give a version there. There we go. This will record it as, and you'll get a message component type, component added successfully. Now again, we can stop here and move ahead, or we could add a few more components. So let's add a database layer, and let's name it simply MyDB. Let's make it Oracle, give a version. All right, so application layer, database layer added. Anything else that we want to add? Let's say we want to make it web enabled, so let's add a web layer as well, and let's use Apache for this. There you go. These could be anything you want and anything that reflects your tech stack. So finally, I would like to add a network layer to this. What technologies do we use? Let's say I use Cisco. Okay, there's this one default which is added other. We'll leave it at that. And we're going to stop here and say, okay, enough components. So we have an application layer, a database layer, a network layer, a web layer. I think we are okay where we are. So this is how we can just press OK here. Now our application as such is ready. Now if we notice, on its own, smartQED tool will create a sample problem for us, and we would like to take a look at what it's there in. So I'll just click on it and wait for it to take me to the fishbone of this sample problem. This is a problem which is generated automatically. We didn't do it. There we go. So it says a sample problem, other issue. We can go ahead and add causes to it. And that is something which we will explore in detail in a separate video. Thank you.